Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 52 in Physics Demystified, second edition. If you have the printed book, you'll find it on page 524 at the bottom and also going over into page 525 at the top. We're talking about an electromagnetic field with a frequency of 500 Hertz. Which of the following parts of the electromagnetic spectrum does such a field fall into? Well, you can find that defined directly back on page 403. You go back to page 403 and 404, you will find the definition of extremely low frequency. Extremely low frequency, otherwise known as ELF, extends from less than 1 Hertz all the way up to 3 kilohertz or thereabouts. 3 kilohertz being 3,000 Hertz. Just for fun, let's calculate the wavelength, lambda, of this electromagnetic field in free space. In order to get the wavelength, we divide the speed of light in free space in meters per second by the frequency in Hertz. That'll give us the wavelength in meters. Well, this speed in meters is 300 million, or 3.00 times 10 to the 8th. We divide that by 500. We can also express this speed in kilometers per second as 3.00 times 10 to the 5th kilometers per second, and then if we express this frequency in kilohertz, we'll also get the wavelength in meters. That wavelength, as it works out, 3 divided by 0.5 is equal to 6. 6.00 times 10 to the 5th meters is that wavelength. That is also the equivalent of, 600,000 meters, or 600 kilometers. That's quite a ways. That's on the order of around 400 miles. That's a long wave indeed. 500 Hertz electromagnetic field in free space. But anyway, the correct choice. This is an extremely low frequency wave. And that's choice E.